Greetings, guys. My name is Gano. I'm just gonna go over a pair that is called CRASH1000, which is provided by deriv, and it has like the brother and the younger sister. Okay, that's not what we came for. What we came for, guys, is just for us to understand and analyze boom and crash and see how does it work and how we can just simply trade boom and crash without putting so much effort, but also like paying a lot of attention, guys. Ne? Okay, I'm just gonna take you through. First of all, I'd like you guys to like simply like this video, subscribe for what if you can, share, and also like make sure that you click that notification button so that you can get every video that I post. Okay, let's go over it, guys. So right now on crash pairs, I only simply deal with selling, and on boom pairs, I only simply deal with buying. You see, right now, guys, I'm just gonna go through our crash 1000. Usually, when I am about to trade boom and crash, I usually get to like start buying, seeing the overview of the 24 hours overall on how the market is being structured and where is the market currently landing or going by that moment. Okay, fine. Right now I can see that my market is just simply flowing to the simply downtrend. You see, it went down for a sell, came up for a little buy, went down for a sell, came up for a little buy, eventually came down for a sell, came up for a little buy, and eventually broke whatever that we had at that point, and eventually broke through the bottom side. So right now the market is above the same line that it broke. So we don't understand what is currently happening on the market. We don't know if it's buying or either selling, but I just going to place that trend line of mine to show you that this is a sell. You see, every time the market touches that line, the market eventually get to do what? Get to drop to where? To the bottom side, meaning that the market is always selling after touching that line. And as you can see, the market hasn't like got so much potential to just tap that line and go to the bottom side. You see that? Okay, fine. We understand that. But where is the market currently going at this space and at this time? That's what we're currently seeking, because boom and crash is something that you can simply analyze at that moment, wait for 15 to 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, an hour, and then after that your setup is confirmed, and then eventually you're going in full margin, and then you buy or either sell. You see. Okay, right now what we're gonna focus on, we're just gonna focus on whether the market is going to give us a sell, because as said, on crash we're looking for sells. Okay, right now you're just gonna go drop down. Okay, when I drop down, okay, right now I'm seeing something that is familiar, that I've seen before. I'm seeing something that I also sent the signal on my signal group. Look at that there at the top. You see that I sent the signal, and after, look at that, what happened there at the bottom. You see that it's sold. Okay, what was the reason for the market to also like do that at that current moment? Okay, right now I'm seeing, okay, the market came down for what? Came down for this sell that was happening and gave us a drop that eventually landed at that point. As much as that drop landed, where was it coming from? It was coming from that sell that had been a trend coming from that side and landing to this side. But you see, with now, like, the market have broke that level and eventually had to come back and retest, and what we killed and smashed was a retest. Okay, fine, guys, let's just simply go through it. Okay, what am I picking up at that point? I'm picking up that, okay, the market gave us what? Gave us a double top there, meaning that we have something that is confirmed as a double top there. As much as the double top was confirmed, what did we have there at the bottom? We also had like something that was resisting the market from going to the downside. So meaning that, okay, fine, now we understand that the market is gonna drop, but as much as it's gonna drop, when is it like going to give us something that is powerful, and how long is that something powerful gonna last? That's what we currently here for right now. We're just gonna go to the market and make sure that we find out the direction of the market, guys. We now know good the market is currently selling at that point. Okay, as much as it's selling, we just gotta find out how can we enter this structure. As much as we can enter this structure, we need to find what valuable like places. Thanks to my brother there. Okay, valuable places whereby we can simply start to sell on the market. Okay, right now I can see that I have a touch there. We need to find a trend now. I have a touch there at the bottom. I have a touch here. I have a touch here, I have a touch there at the top. But all these touches, they don't mean anything if they're not connecting to each other. We're just gonna simply do what? We're connecting all these dots that we have. Okay. You see guys, the market eventually did what? Broke out from that trend. That was the reason why the market was selling like crazy. Broke out from that trend, and eventually, you see, before it broke out, you remember that I said the market was on a what? Was on a uptrend because it broke out to the upside. Now it's breaking out to what? To the bottom side. What do we do at this point? Right now we're on what? H4. On our H4, meaning that we gotta look for what? Selling opportunities, guys. As much as we are looking for selling opportunities, right now we just gotta make sure that we find the entry. Our entry, where are we gonna get the entry, guys? Where are we getting the entry? We're getting the entry at the space whereby you're just gonna have to simply go to your time frame and look for what? Look for more touches at that space and use the current trend at that moment. That's how you simply find the entry. You see, that was the first entry, that was our second entry, and we're gonna be seeking what I always call the power of the third touch that I trade the most. The power of what? The third touch. You see what happened there? Okay, fine. Now I understand. The market gave me the first touch, second touch. Okay, eventually it broke out on that second touch. Right now we're looking for what? We're looking for a selling opportunity at which point? At this point, or either this point here, because those are the major points that we currently have on the market. And nonetheless, we don't have to like try to maybe try to breach the market or anything, but we just gotta look for something solid on the market. That's how we're gonna like have to eat with the market, and yeah, that's how we're gonna like get the entry, guys. That is a retest from what? From a breakout. It's simply like that, guys. You're just taking your sales at that space. Right now the market is retesting, and what you gotta wait for is the retest, and then you confirm your entry, guys. You just simply take your sell, and I'll come back with the results. Thank you so much. I appreciate. Make sure you don't forget, subscribe, like, tap that notification button. Make sure that you keep the videos coming to your side. Learn more about boom and crash, and make sure that all the information that you get, you don't lose it. You keep it and store it in your mind. Let's break it down and let's make it, the EA way. We'd kill it. Trade like a EA. Okay, guys, here we are. The market broke this level as it was a breakout and went back inside and gave you another test and went down, came back, created another level here, as we still agree that here was a strong like level. So eventually it ended up dropping like that as we agreed on the sell. So the market is currently selling, guys. The market is currently selling. I hope you like the video. Tune in and stay up to date for the next video. Thank you so much.